Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to center an image in your web page. So I'm here on W3 Schools and I'm going to follow their advice. Basically, how to center images. So add it into your HTML, and the example they have here is they have an image and they have their source of their image, which is a picture of Paris, this image here. And the alternative text for that is Paris, so we know that that's the text that's displayed when the image for some reason doesn't load. And then they have class equal to center, so that's the important one here for the moment. So I'm going to head over to code.org and I'm going to open up a new project, start from the beginning. And in my new project I'm just going to put in a H1 to begin with, just so you can see. Close my H1. And then under my H1 I'm going to pop in an image, so I'm going to go add an image here. You know how to add an image already, but I'm just going to have to upload something onto my website just for demonstration. And I'm going to add up this one school crest, and it's uploaded, so I can click X. Now I wanted to put in my image. My tag for image is just IMG, and you have to find the source of it, so S or C equals, and the sources are everything that's along here. So it's my crest that I want to upload. And after that I'm going to go back to the W3 Schools. It says alternative text. We can pop that in. So alternative text, if I use what's in the drop down, it does all the speech marks for me. So I could just say crest. So if it doesn't display, that word crest will display if the image doesn't. That's what that means. And the next thing it says is class equal to center. So class, CENTER. And then just close your angle bracket at that point, and your crest will appear over here as soon as you have your angle bracket closed. Now you can see that that's the full size of your web page. If I look at my web page, you can see that it's quite big. So what we'll do is we're going to try and get that into the middle and reduce the size of it a little bit. So all you need to do is head over to CSS, go back to my W3 Schools and see what they tell me to do next. It says to center an image, set the left and right margin to auto and make it into a block element. So they have a sample code here which I'm just going to copy, Control C, pop it into my CSS file, and now I can see that it's centered across the page, across the width. The width of it here, it won't. W3 Schools will tell you here, note that it cannot be centered if the width is 100. If it's full width, it's already in the center, so it can't be centered. So if I was to change that width to 30% or to 10%, you can do it in there. Okay, that's just the width. Again, you could always put in the height if you wanted. That's up to yourself. But to center it across the page, or whatever size you want, you can do it in there using that little bit of code. And I've just gone from W3 Schools into that, and I'm just copying it in. So there's my HTML and my CSS to center my image. Thanks guys, I hope it's helpful.